Now in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can get your 4,000 watch hours within a period of 24 hours. Most of the creators have been trying to upload their videos in their YouTube channel so that they can get their watch hours, but it has been a very tricky game to them. So in this video you need to stick around because I'm going to show you in a professional way. I'm going to give you a professional trick that you can use to get your 4,000 watch hours within a period of 24 hours. So in this trick that I'm going to show you guys, you need to make sure that you are having two main things. And if I say two main things, you need to have either a laptop or you have either a phone. And if you have either a laptop or a phone, the second thing that you should be having is either an internet connection or you can buy your data or any type of internet connection. And I'm going to walk you through in a professional way. What's up? My name is Whitey Benjamin, and if you're watching this video for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to more other YouTubers. Let's dive in. Now to do this, the first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna open your browser. Then after opening your browser, you click on new incognito. Then after that, you will have to search YouTube here in a new tab. So I'm gonna type YouTube. Then after typing YouTube, the second thing, I'm gonna enter. Then after entering, as you can see, YouTube has popped up in my screen. So the third thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sign in. Then after signing in, I'm gonna use the appropriate ways to sign. Now after signing in, as you can see, this is my YouTube, or this is my YouTube. So I'm gonna click on profile. Then after clicking on profile, I'm gonna view channel. Then this is, as you can see, this is my channel and all these are my videos. So I'm gonna set every video to watch later. I'm gonna set every video in this channel to watch later. Every video that I'm gonna use to get my watch hours, I'm gonna set it to watch later. Then after setting it to watch later, I'm gonna do that repeatedly to many videos as possible. As you can see, I'm doing it. So as you can see, I've set every video. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on watch later. And when I view here, as you can see, these are the videos that I've set to watch later. These are all my videos that I want to use in getting 4,000 watch hours within a simple and with a professional way to build that. So as you can see, this is my video. So I'm gonna play these videos. I'm gonna just play these videos, all these videos that I've set to watch later. I'm gonna play them. Then after playing first one, I'm gonna duplicate this tab 10 times. According to you, you can duplicate it more because you can duplicate it like 13 times or 15 times. But me, according to me, I'm gonna duplicate it like 10 or 8 times. So as you can see, this is my screen. This view and these videos that I've set to watch later, I've duplicated them around 10 times. And this will help me because if this video that I'm streaming will be live for like 1 hour, automatically I'm going to get like 50 watch hours within 1 hour. If I duplicate it 50 times, I will get like so many watch hours within a period of time. And that is a very nice thing. That is a very professional thing to do. So after that, after you've streamed all of the videos, like 2 hours or any hour that you feel like, you close that incognito. So closing that incognito will help you because most of the people they don't understand why am I using incognito to do this. Is because I'm trying to hide my privacy to YouTube, because YouTube can realize what I'm trying to do, and if it realizes, I'm gonna be sacked. Like I'm gonna do it like it's not good, you understand? And that is how. Now the last thing that you must do and you have to do, you simply click on history after streaming every video. And after clicking on history, you must make sure that you cleared every history. Because if you cleared every history, YouTube will not trace you in any way. Google will not trace you in any way. And that is how to do it professionally. So make sure that if you stream like 2 hours or 3 hours in your videos or in your channel, make sure that you clear every history in your YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this is your first time in this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to more other YouTubers. There is a playlist up there that is talking about the secret settings that you can use to optimize your channel in a professional way. Remember to watch that playlist and let's grow together, and you will thank me later. Yeah. Peace, peace, peace every time. Bye bye.